Hello everyone. Good evening and welcome again to my to another video that I'm going to post today on my YouTube channel. Okay, this is regarding the filter formula. Okay, so this formula is not available in all versions of Excel, but it is available on Excel 365. And using this formula, we can do a lot of wonderful things. Okay, so let's have a look at the data that we have. This is the data table that we have with us right now. Now we have been asked to prepare a report which is here. Okay, and in the report our manager wants us to find out, based on the department, okay, all the people working on on the department, and who are actually the data for all the people working for that particular department. Okay, so let me show how we can go about doing this with using the filter formula. Okay, so I have copied this part of the data, on sheet 2. Okay, so we will follow the same procedure here. I'll keep the header same. Because our data will be ultimately populated here. Now here is one thing: the data is required based on the departments. So we have multiple departments here. Okay, now the departments, if we do a data validation, simple data validation, for example, we have 3 accounts department, and 3 accounts department will appear here, okay, under the data validation. Okay, so we need to remove the duplicates first of all from the departments, and then do a data validation, and then arrive at this result using the filter formula. So let's see how we can do this. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this here. Okay, and go about and remove duplicates. Okay, so the duplicates have been removed. Now I can do a sort of data validation using this one. Okay, so we will go to data validation list. Now we will not choose from here, we will choose the unique departments from here. Okay, now based on this here, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 departments. These are the 5 departments. Okay, so HR, account, sales, training and marketing. HR, account, sales, training and marketing. Okay, now what we need to do is here is we have to put in a formula. If filter, FILTER. Now it's asking for an array, so we will choose the whole array here. Okay, now what else is it asking for? Which includes, so we will include the department name, and this should be equal to the department which we have chosen under the data validation, and close the bracket and press enter. So we have got 2 records for the HR department, Vinod Mehra and Rahul Kumar, who are working under HR department, and their respective salaries. I'll convert this into a number format. Okay, So if we keep on changing the departments, likewise in accounts we have got 3 people who are falling under the same department, and you see the data is pretty, it's this formula makes doing this thing very easy. We go to sales, we have got 2 people under sales. We go to training, we have only 1 person who is under training department, and we have got marketing and 1 person under marketing. Okay, so this is a short video about the filter function that we can use in Microsoft Excel 365. This is a very useful formula, and hope this will help you in your work if you have Microsoft 365. Okay, and thank you again for watching my video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, press on the like icon. Thanks again, and have a great day.